Welcome again to another video of PCB Heaven Tech Labs. In this video I will demonstrate an older project that I made a couple of months ago, and I totally forgot to upload the video of this project, and I lost the files because of a crash that I had in my computer. And anyway, here I am because I was asked to upload such a video, and I'll show you today my etching bath with heater and agitation. So this is the tank, the etching tank, and I chose a narrow and thin but high tank because I wanted, first of all, I usually etch boards that they have one dimension less than 10 centimeters that this tank is. Here it's 10 centimeters, but it can go up to 20 centimeters or like 15 centimeters, but I usually never make such a big board, PCB. And I wanted to run the etching bath with as less trichlorium ferrite as possible, the etchant liquid, the etchant chemical that I use, this one. And because this is many times reusable, I wanted to have a small quantity so that I can store it in my shelf, like this, which is 1 liter. I have used it for many boards, I don't know, for many PCBs, like 10 or 20 times, I don't know. So this is the base of the project. This is a rough construction, and I made this for test to see the efficiency of the system and if the system works after all. And when I made this, it was very good in how this tank goes inside. If you see, it's very stable. It's very stable inside, it doesn't move, and I kinda liked it, and so I kept it like this. It's not very nice, I know it's not very nice, but it works very good, and that is enough for me. This is the temperature sensor for my circuitry, that I measure the temperature in the liquid, in the chemical, to keep it steady at about 45 degrees, I think 43 or 45 degrees. And this is just a simple NTC thermistor inside a tube, and I have put silicone inside, and here on the edges I have put a dip of hot melt glue, and it goes like this. And this is the heater. This is a typical aquarium heater, 100 watts. I removed completely this built-in thermostat. You can go in my website and see how I did this in details. And I made my own thermostat here, this circuit. It has a 2-digit 7-segment display, LED display, scavenged from an old ITT television, and it has 2 switches. The first one is for the heater and for the board mainly, and the second one is for the air pump. Okay, and the air pump is a 4 liters air pump from aquarium. Typical setup. I mean, it's a typical setup that everybody knows around the internet. It's nothing special. So this is the foot. I call it the leg, not the foot, the leg. And here is the air curtain. It has some holes inside on the tube, and I have bent the tube, and here goes the output of the pump, the hose of the pump, like this. And these are the bases This and this are the bases for the heater. The foot is made of acrylic glass, of course, my favorite material, by far my favorite material. And here is the heater, goes like this, and the leg goes on the tank with this clip. I must take this out, of course. It goes like this, and then this one goes there, and this is the overall design of the aquarium, of the edge bath with heater and agitation. So let's see this in action.